So if you have a relatively large truck, let's say class 4 or larger, my recommendation would be to fast chargers. They are called DCFC, which is DC current fast chargers. They cost more, but you'll be able to charge up your truck in a couple of hours versus the lower class 2 chargers that are going to take you days to charge up trucks. So if you are moving to electric vehicles, then look for incentives, opportunities to buy DCFC fast chargers to be the unit that charges your truck. Then that charger and the installation are expensive. But as the lower class chargers have come down to the level of, good Lord, $1,000, the commercial level chargers, the DCFC chargers, which are now anywhere from about 75,000 up, in the installations, pretty close to the same. As you get to the larger chargers, you may be paying $200,000 for one 2-port DCFC charger. So keep that in mind as you build budgets. This is not an inexpensive thing to do, but it is a thing that you're going to have to build that strategy around in terms of how many trucks can I buy, how many chargers can I afford, that type of information that keeps you prepared